Hello friends, are you interested in dog, the most loyal and ancient friend of man? Have you ever wondered looking at a well-disciplined dog and how a police dog obeys his master, understanding every command? Have you ever seen a dog that is pulling leash so much that owner could not manage? Have you ever wished your dog to behave well-disciplined and follow your instructions? Are you planning to have a dog as pet? Friend, then this channel is for you. Hello friends, I am Dr. S.B. Ravi Kumar, welcoming you all to Dog, the Best Friend channel. Dog is the most obedient and loyal friend of man. The relationship with the dog brings extreme happiness and joy to its owner. In fact, this relation cannot be compared to any other man-animal relation. In this channel, you will get complete information about dogs, how to select a puppy, which sex and breed to prefer, when brought home how to feed puppy, how to toilet train, how to maintain dogs in their old age, etc. All that is required to have a joyful relation with your dog. You will also get tips to train your dog for obedience. When I said you will get tips to train your dog also, you might be wondering, how is this possible? Because you have seen many of your friends sending their dogs to a professional training, but it is not necessary. You yourself can train your dog so well that he becomes most obedient and well disciplined. What all you require for making this happen is information about dogs, knowledge about their behavior, and skill of communication with the dog. Apart from this, you require, of course, patience, continued effort, and determination. There are about 90 crore dogs in the world. Out of this, 20% of dogs are in developed countries as pets. Remaining 80% of dogs are in developing countries like India. But here in developing countries, keeping dogs inside home as pets is not that popular. Mostly they are community dogs, village dogs, or street dogs. Dog or pet keeping is very popular in Western countries. According to a survey conducted in 2019, 67% of houses have one or the other pet in America. Even in India, pet keeping is gaining popularity nowadays. If you look at the statistics, 12% of households in India had pets in 2014, which has increased to 17% by 2018. When I said dog keeping is very popular, don't think that dog keeping is very easy. In fact, it is not easy. Dogs usually live for 15 to 20 years. It is a commitment on your part and you have to invest time and money throughout that period. Once a puppy is brought, you cannot disown it later. You can ask your child to throw a doll if she has lost interest in it, but in case of a dog, you cannot do it. So, before deciding to bring a dog, you have to weigh pros and cons and then decide carefully. You have to consider many facts like whether all members of your family are interested, how much time you can invest, can you take that commitment for entire lifetime of dog, and many more. Even you may have to change your lifestyle. You have to strive to be a leader to your dog and maintain that position always. You have to train it, making it suitable for civil society. Otherwise, your dog keeping will not bring happiness to you or to your dog. To train your dog, you have to know about dogs, their behaviors and instincts. If you understand why a dog behaves like that, then handling becomes easy. We can modify their natural behaviors to our advantage. If we know how dog communicates, its body language, facial expression, then we can effectively communicate with them. If we have this information, we can train our dog and make it well behaved so that everyone likes it. If you are happy with the information, please like the video and share with your friends. And I request you to subscribe to the channel Dog the Best Friend. I also need your suggestions for improving the channel. With this, I am concluding this video and see you in next video. Namaskara.